Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Blooming Earth. Let's see the springbirds today. I have a lot of springbirds in my backyard. I feed them the walnuts and the wild bird food. It's such a good mental relaxation to sit and watch them grain on the grass and on the feeds I put for them. Varieties of birds that it's very interesting to sit and watch them. And the interesting part is when I put the feed on the bird house, they do not eat from that, but they push it down and they like to feed from the ground. So better from the ground itself. Oh, here comes the angry bird. This one I have seen in the movies and in the cartoons, but not in real. She is really beautiful. And it's amazing to see her watch eating the grains as they split it into two and they eat the inside part. Even humans with two hands can do it as easily as she's doing. Amazing bird. And this one is totally black and have a tick mark on her. There are so many different varieties of birds which I see daily. I am so amused and happy to see them green. It's really relaxing and makes me happy. You can also watch the springbirds in my Blooming Earth TikTok channel. It's edited for the 2 hours. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching with the Blooming Earth. See you in another exciting episode. Until then, take care. Bye.